Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very easy and delicious mushroom tomato pasta that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Amazing and delicious mushroom tomato pasta. These are the ingredients: salt, pink Himalaya salt, parsley, 1 whole head of garlic cloves, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, ragu tomato and mushroom sauce, Parmesan cheese, and of course our pasta transported from my beautiful Italy. So I am ready to show you how to prepare this easy and delicious homemade pasta. Let's get started.
I am ready to show you this amazing and delicious pasta transported from my beautiful Italy. Look at this. This pasta looks so beautiful that, of course, making an easy and delicious, amazing homemade pasta, it's very easy. And this is an easy and delicious recipe that I know you guys are really going to love. Well, let's start with the recipe. The pasta looks amazing. Those little tubes looks just gorgeous. And with very few ingredients. Of course, we're going to start with the garlic cloves. The more garlic it has, the more delicious and amazing this pasta is going to be. Look at this. I am sure that once you make this easy and delicious homemade pasta, you're going to fall in love. It's so easy. It takes about 10-15 minutes for the whole recipe to be completely done. When you start dicing your garlic, make sure you have a pot on your stove with water getting nice and hot. Remember, when you are cooking pasta, you want to make sure that before you add your pasta into the water is boiling. And this is an amazing and delicious sauce. This is a tomato mushroom sauce. It's nice and chunky, delicious. This brand, amazing. And like I said, when you want to make an easy and delicious pasta, make this one. You're going to fall in love with it. Enjoy what I enjoy with my beautiful family. Look how chunky this pasta is. Of course, all the ingredients are here. Salt to taste, parsley, the diced garlic, and of course 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And here I have the sauce, the Parmesan cheese, and the gorgeous pasta. The water is boiling. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. To this, I'm going to start adding this beautiful pasta. Look at this. We're going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's al dente. Don't overcook your pasta. You really want to enjoy your pasta al dente. Remember that after you take it out of the boiling water, we're going to add it to the amazing sauce we are going to make. And do not throw away all that amazing liquid. This liquid is gold. This is going to help the sauce thicken, so do not throw it away. We're going to be using about 1.5 cups of this water. And now in a separate pan, I have vegetable oil and I'm adding my unsalted butter. I am going to mix very well until it's nice and incorporated and the butter has dissolved completely. Once this is done, I am ready to add the garlic. Of course, my home is going to smell amazing. If you love garlic like I love garlic, let me tell you, you're going to love the way your home is going to smell. Well, here I am going to cook it until the garlic really releases all those amazing flavors and aroma into the butter and oil. I'm going to cook it here until I could really see the garlic turning a little slightly golden brown. Be careful because your garlic could burn very easily. Once the garlic has released all the amazing aroma and flavor, we're going to add the sauce. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of the gold liquid of the pasta and I'm going to mix very well. Once it starts bubbling, I am ready to add the amazing al dente pasta. Look at this. Remember that the liquid of the pasta is going to thicken this sauce. I'm adding salt to taste and I'm just going to cook this sauce for just a little bit. Don't forget to add your parsley. I'm adding the dried parsley. I'm going to leave it here, start seeing it nice and bubble before I add the amazing and delicious pasta. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love all these ingredients, like, subscribe, and share so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. I am ready to remove the amazing pasta from the liquid. Look at this. Look how beautiful the pasta looks. And now I am ready to add some of the water, a little more. It's getting nice and thick. And I am ready to add right in the pasta. Look at this. How amazing this sauce is. Really thick. Adding the pasta into the sauce, making sure that everything is completely covered with this amazing sauce. And of course, right on the top, I am going to add some Parmesan cheese. This is an easy and delicious recipe. I hope you make it and I hope you enjoy it like I'm going to enjoy it today with my beautiful family. Look how amazing this looks. I am ready to prepare the presentation plate. Of course, being very generous, adding just enough to enjoy it, and of course adding a little bit of the Parmesan cheese on the top and a little bit of the parsley. I am ready to enjoy. My mouth is watering and I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My home smells amazing.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious homemade pasta. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, this pasta is very easy to prepare, but yet it has so much amazing flavor. I hope you make it and you enjoy what Cooking with Gloria enjoys with her beautiful family. And of course, I have a pineapple lemonade that you already have on my channel. So delicious. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and easy homemade pasta. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.